Key lime pie is a popular dessert that is made with key lime juice, sweetened condensed milk and a graham cracker crust. It is believed to have originated in the Florida Keys in the early 20th century. The key lime is a small, round lime that is native to the Florida Keys. It is more tart and flavorful than regular limes, and is the traditional lime used in key lime pie. The origin of the dessert is unclear, but there are a few different stories about how it came to be. One story claims that key lime pie was created by sponge fishermen in the Florida Keys. The fishermen would spend long days at sea, and would bring with them ingredients that wouldn't spoil, such as sweetened condensed milk and canned fruit. They would mix the ingredients together with key lime juice, pour the mixture into a graham cracker crust, and let it set in the sun to cook. Another story claims that key lime pie was first made by a cook named Aunt Sally, who served it to guests at the Curry Mansion in Key West. According to this story, Aunt Sally didn't have any lemons to make a traditional lemon pie, so she used key limes instead. The guests loved the pie, and it soon became a staple of Florida Keys cuisine. Regardless of its origin, key lime pie became a popular dessert throughout the Florida Keys and eventually spread to other parts of the United States. In 1965, key lime pie was designated as the official state pie of Florida. Today, key lime pie is enjoyed by people all over the world and can be found on the menus of many restaurants and bakeries. While the recipe has evolved over time, with variations including whipped cream, meringue, and chocolate crusts, the classic version with a graham cracker crust, sweetened condensed milk, and key lime juice remains a favorite among many. Start by zesting some key limes until you have about 2 tablespoons of zest. Then juice 3/4 of a cup of key lime juice through a fine mesh strainer and set aside. Now for the graham cracker crust. Add 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1/3 cup brown sugar and 6 tablespoons of butter to a bowl. Give it a good mix. Pour the mixture into the pan and use a flat-bottomed glass to press the mixture down firmly and evenly. Make sure the crust is pressed tightly into the bottom and up the sides of the pan. Bake the crust for 8 minutes at 350 degrees. Next, add 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon key lime zest, 2 14-ounce cans sweetened condensed milk and your 3/4 cup of fresh key lime juice. Give it a good mix. Pour it on top of the crust and give it a little shake. Bake at 350 for about 15 minutes or until the filling is almost set. Next, let's make some whipped cream by adding cold cream and powdered sugar to a cold bowl. Continue whisking the cream on medium-high speed until it forms stiff peaks. Stiff peaks means that when you lift the whisk out of the cream, the peaks that form will hold their shape and not fall back into the cream. Add a little vanilla. Garnish with some key lime zest. Thank you for watching this key lime pie recipe video. If you enjoyed it and want to see more delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be alerted when we post new content. If you tried this recipe, let us know in the comments how it turned out for you. We love hearing from our viewers and appreciate your feedback. And if you're looking for more cooking or baking inspiration, be sure to check out our other videos for even more tasty treats. Thanks again for watching and we'll see you in the next video.